Hello, and welcome to Full Steam Ahead. This is a monthly make and take program where we learn all about the cool things in the world around us through science, engineering, technology, and math. We do hands-on experiments to learn together, and this month we're going to learn about the sun. So the sun is a very, very powerful star. It's the source of a lot of energy, and it has the effect to change the world around us. You'll notice that when we go out in the daytime, we can see things more clearly and brighter, and when we go out at night, it's a little bit harder to see. The sun kind of curates the colors and the reflections, and it also has the power to literally change the color of things. We're going to test that using colored paper. It's pretty much just basic construction paper. You'll find 2 pieces per participant in your kit, and you want one of these to remain whole. So you don't want to cut it up, you don't want to do anything with it. It's going to be your base, and that's very important. The other sheet, you can use it as another base, or you can do what I did and cut out some fun shapes. I've got some hearts, I've got an L for Lindsay, and I'm just going to lay them out on my sheet in a really fun design. Now you'll want to make sure that when you're laying out your design, you can use anything flat. So you can cut out pieces of paper, you can use items around your house that are flat. The important thing is that they are flat because anything tall will create a shadow. We don't want that. And the important thing also is that there's an outline that you want to kind of show on the paper. Anything on the paper itself, if it's a picture or a design, doesn't matter, it's the outline. So these hearts could be any color, it doesn't matter, they could be multicolored. What matters is the fact that they are hearts. So that's what's going to show up. The blue does not matter. I'm going to go ahead and lay this out in a fun little design. All right, so you'll want to lay out your design. Here is mine for reference. It's got the L and all the hearts. And then what you're going to do is leave it somewhere very, very sunny. So a windowsill is great, a balcony or a porch is great. If it's windy out, maybe don't do that outside because these could blow away and we don't want that. We want to make sure they can remain uncovered, and we want to make sure we don't tape them to the paper because then they'll be hard to remove. And removing them is part of the key here. Once you leave it out in the sun for anywhere from like 3 to 7 days or more, you can check every day to see how it's doing. The idea is that the sun will actually fade the construction paper. So the items that you're putting on don't matter. That's not what we're looking for. The base has to be that construction paper that we've given you. Other construction papers may or may not work. We know ours does because we've tested it. And then in 3 to 7 days, when you lift the items up, hopefully the sun has faded the background paper and anything under the paper has been safe from the sun. So you should see this design faded directly onto your paper. It's going to look really cool. You can create cards, construction paper, stationery. I can't wait to see what you create. I'm going to leave mine out in the sun and see what happens. Maybe I can make a cool sign for my desk. And we want to see what you create. There's so much room for creativity. So send us an email at youth@winnettkalibrary.org with your final product. I can't wait to see what you do this month, and we'll see you again next month with another cool experiment. Bye-bye.